Hello, I'm Tom Ruggia. Thank you to the organizers for allowing Theialife to present. Today I'm presenting on behalf of Theialife team. Here's our general disclosure statements. So Theialife is an ophthalmology drug development company redefining how we treat eye disease. We're going to start with pediatric progressive myopia, seeing the future of myopia. I'm Tom Ruggia, CEO. I am 25 years in ophthalmology, including time at J&J, Alcon, and most recently CEO of Samsara Vision. I am only at Theialife for a week, so please grade on a curve. This is my first time in public talking about it. Our co-founders include our scientist and entrepreneur founder Sandeep Arora and scientific and clinical advisor co-founder Klaus Trier. Also advisors from the industry, including those in business and science and medicine. Today we're talking about pediatric progressive myopia. So we know that this is an epidemic growing much faster than population. By 2050, 50% of the world will be myopic. We're talking about that myopia that's early in a child's lifespan and is progressive in nature. And so that's about 300 million patients today, with about 12 million of those patients residing in the United States, doubling again by 2050. This is a $75 billion treatable addressable market, again, by mid-century, that will have the biggest impact, not only on pediatric patients, but on the long-term implications that this has for the life of these myopic patients. So before the age of 10, this really sets in. I think we know that. And we think of this disease as a disease of those in classrooms, maybe not being able to see the chalkboard. But I think of this as a disease of the patients that are early cataract, that are early to glaucoma, unique glaucomas, and those with retina detachments in their 40s. A brother-in-law of mine experienced a cataract with a retina detachment. Very challenging cataract case because once the first eye is done, they're left for 2 weeks with a -8 in the other eye. And that's not generally what we think of when we talk about pediatric progressive myopia, but these downstream implications are all due to the structural changes in the eye, and that's where the changes need to happen. So today, Theialife, we're talking about a drug called ND10. ND10 works on a signaling pathway that blocks the adenosine 2 alpha receptor that enhances dopamine activity, and it promotes scleral thickening and increases collagen density in this point of the child's lifespan, decreasing and inhibiting the severe elongation of the eye. We think that has a profound effect on the upstream implications in progressive myopia and later high myopia. So ND10, again, increases the collagen content in the posterior sclera, and it's the first oral formulation for myopia in control in children. We know this capsule technology can be opened and used on food, and is highly preferable delivery mechanism for those patients at this age that eye drops and modifying medical devices can be a challenge for. We've now done more than 1,200 patients. 12,000 is a lot. 1,200 patients in Denmark where we have compassionate use. We've had no reported adverse events in this compassionate use. We've had 20 years of experience with 7MX and ND10, 48% slowing of myopia, and the product is now phase 3 ready in the United States, IND submission later this year. So ND10 is a first-in-class with fast first-mover advantage here. We work structurally on the eye to prevent the implications of a lifetime of high myopia. It's a $40 billion opportunity with a 12 to 14 million patient treatable market in the U.S. That makes a $75 billion TAM. We have a strong IP portfolio and the backing of BioPlus Life Sciences that creates an incubator for next indications and pipelines of products in the future. So thank you. We'll be here and at all of the other conferences for the rest of the year. Thank you.
Yeah.